Hi, this is Missy. Today we're going to talk about a superfood, goji berry. It is regarded as Chinese red gold for its nutritional and healing health properties. If you search on the internet, you will see lots and lots of benefits because of its phytochemicals, antioxidants, vitamin A and C, and all these minerals like iron and potassium, and also the way that it actually helps on a daily basis. You can find a lot of information about its healing properties and the nutritional values. So today we're going to talk about how do you use goji berry. For a start, you can brew goji berry with ginger, chrysanthemum, ginseng, and with a little bit of honey or with rock sugar. That is the traditional Chinese way to brew the tea with goji berry. And remember to also eat the berry after you drink the tea to get the maximum effect. The other way that I like to do it is in the morning when you do your breakfast porridge with oatmeal, you can add the goji berry with it too, because sometimes we like to add cinnamon apple into the porridge, or you can add the dates. Goji berry is just like raisins. It's sweet and it's soft once it's cooked. Now, you can also add it into energy protein ball. Instead of using the medjool dates to add that sweetness in the energy ball, you can use goji berry. Another common way is to add the goji berry into your fried rice to add a little bit of color and also that sweetness in your rice dish. It is also very beautiful to add it to your salad. Not just the color, the taste, and its health benefit. Add it into the soup so you can see you can do it either the sweet way or the savory way. Another tip. If you are going to make your homemade burger patty, you can also add goji berry in it too. You can either have it dried or you can soak it up in the water and make it plump and juicy. Personally, I prefer to rehydrate it. If you like the crunchiness, you can have it dry with some nuts as a snack. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this and you learned something that you like to do with goji berries. And if you need more information, just comment below. Until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy.